How to use Zoho as a complete beginner. So come on to zoho.com, and once you're over here, the website will look something like this. So you can then just simply sign up onto this website. So to sign up, you can just simply click on the free sign up button at the top right corner over here. Simply click on it, and then the website will look something like this. And over here, you will need to add your email address and your password. Then check the small box and then just simply click on sign up for free. Or you can also sign in using Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. Whichever way is easier for you, just pick that up. It doesn't really matter because they all end at the same road. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up using Google. And once you've signed up, they will ask you to create a new free Zoho account. And once you've signed up, the website will look something like this, and this pop-up will appear. And over here, they will be asking you to agree to their terms and services and select your country. And then you can just simply click on continue, wait for a couple of seconds to load up, for the website to load up. So once it's loaded up, these are all the features that Zoho provides. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff going on over here. We have CRMs, we have mails, we have creators, we have books, we have motivators, sales, contact managers, sale inboxes, campaigns, marketing, automations, surveys, socials, and many more. As you can see, Zoho is not messing around here. It is the ultimate package. It has almost everything that you would need to start your own business. So let's just go ahead and click on mail, because that is why we're basically here. So wait for a couple of seconds for mail to load up, and over here, once it's loaded up, they will ask you to create a domain-based email account in Zoho. For example, your username at your domain, it can be Gmail or whatever, or you can create your own email account as your username, and its domain will be zohomail.com. So go ahead and choose this one over here, and then just enter in whatever you think is necessary. So I'm going to write my name, and then just simply click on create a mailbox. And as you can see, it is creating our email for us. So wait a couple of seconds. So as you can see, now the website is loaded up and they are giving us a welcome message. So over here, you can just simply manage your local settings. You can add in your language and your time zones. Just select whatever time zone you're in, and then just simply click on this arrow over here, and we can move on to the next step. Now over here, they're going to ask you to choose a display name and your own signature. So I'll just keep my display name, and down below my signature will be O, and then just simply click on next. And over here, they are going to ask you for a theme for your inbox. So right now I have blue and black. That's perfectly all right with me. If it were black and blue the other way around, I would choose that, but it's not. So I'm just gonna stick with it, and then just simply click on next. And then they're going to ask you for your access to Zoho mails. Just simply click on access Zoho mail, and you're basically done. So as you can see, everything is very clean. You have your mails set up over here at the middle, and over here on the left side, you have all the different apps and messages and options. And on the right side, you have your settings, your achievement viewers, your toggle a widget, your Zoho desks, basically widgets, your Zoho CRMs, and Zoho meetings. So basically all the other widgets and applications that are linked with Zoho emails are going to be over here on the right side. So let's go over to the left side and let me tell you a little bit about them. So at the top right here, we have mail, and over here is basically you create your emails. So you have your home, you have your unread messages over here, you have your inbox over here, you have your drafts, templates, snoozed, sent, spam, trash, outbox, and then down below you have your tags. Basically, if you want to tag and color a certain email, you can do that by clicking over here and then just creating a tag and then choosing a color and then saving it, and then you could just select the email that you want to tag and then just tag it yourself. And then down below you have views, and over here you will have unread to messages, all messages, flagged, and archived messages. So as you can see over here, when you have a certain emails from a certain someone, let's just say that you have multiple emails from a single person, then all those emails are going to be compiled together like this. We have two messages from Zoho, and they, as you can see, we have the number 2 button over here, in this composition. So how do you create a new email? Well, basically you come over to the new mail button over here at the top left, and right next to it is going to be an arrow. You click on that arrow and it is going to drop down a few different options. So you have new notes, you have new tasks, new events, and new contacts and new bookmarks. So you can, over here you can create different shortcuts. So you have your notes, task, events, contact, and so on and so on. So you can create those right over here, and you can create your new email by clicking on new mail. And once you do that, as you can see, this window has opened up, and over here you can just write whatever you want. It is basically just like all the other email services, but what makes Zoho different is the accumulation of all the different applications that are available within this one application. So you have your calendar, you have your tasks, notes, contacts, bookmarks, you have your meeting, you have your CRMs, you have your desks, you have everything in just a one application, and it all works perfectly together. There are no glitches, no beta version, no nothing. It is a complete version, and you will not have any trouble whatsoever using Zoho. So definitely do give it a try. I do recommend it. So over here you can just simply enter in the email address that you want to send it to. So let me just enter in my email address. So that is my email address. Then down below you have your contacts, and then down below you have your subject, and over here you can write whatever you want. So I'm gonna write hello, and over here you can basically attach different attachments, some work drives. You can make the text bold, italic, underline, or strike through. You have your fonts over here, the size, the font color, the background, and all the other options as well. So once you have written your email, so once you have your email address ready, you can just simply hit send, or you can send later for a scheduled meeting. So go ahead and click on send, and as you can see, I've sent this email, hello darkness, to my old friend. Now let's just go over to my Gmail account and see how it looks. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, just like a regular email. Nothing too fancy, nothing too out of the ordinary, but it is really simple. Now you can create as many emails as you want. It is just that simple. Just click on new email and just compose a new email address. So let's just move on to the other applications that are available on Zoho. So we have calendar. Now over here we can add in new events, new holidays, and stuff like that. It is just like Google Calendar. Basically Zoho is like Google Calendar, but it is more refined in a sense, and it is very easy to use. And then down below we have tasks. Wait for the tasks to load up, and over here you can basically add in new tasks that you want to do, like a to-do list or a specific goal that you want to reach within a month or a week or even a day. And you can just simply add in different tasks that you can. So to create a task, just simply come down and click on my tasks, and over here simply click on this button, add task, and you will be able to add in new tasks for you or for your fellow teammates or for your organization that is using Zoho. And then down below you will have notes, again just like tasks, but notes can be for you or your teammates. You can just simply tag them and then write the notes and right next to the tags. Then your team members or teammates will know what you've written, and you can even add in your own personal notes as well. Just simply click on a quick add and you'll be able to create a new personal note. And then down below you will have contacts. So as you can see, I've added my 2 email addresses that I don't really use. These email addresses just for spam purposes. So as you can see, I've added it to emails, and how you do that is by clicking on this plus button over here, and once you click on it you can simply add in a new contact. And then down below you have bookmarks. So over here you can add in different bookmarks. You can add in different URLs, different sites, different images, and stuff like that. So that is basically it, guys. That is all the features that you needed to know. So let's just go into the settings real quick and let's see if there is something interesting. So over here, as you can see, we have a lot of different things going on over here. So this is basically your account. So over here you have your account, your personal information, your password, security, and stuff like that. Then you have system, your keyboard shortcuts, compose. You have all these different types of settings for all these different types of applications. So down below you have Zoho App. So as you can see, as I said before, you have Zoho Lens, contacts, projects, just like Google. Zoho is just like Google, but it is much smaller and much newer. So do give Zoho a try, and I assure you, you will not be disappointed. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions related to this video or any other video, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And also share this video with your friends and family members so that they can also know all the different applications that are out there, so that they don't stick to one application, and whenever that application does not work, they're in a pickle. So let them know about Zoho as well if Google does not work one day, and I'm sure you'll thank me later. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.